Here's the news of the day. The air ambulance service completed 3,779 life-saving missions in 2024, overcoming challenges with innovative care, an all-female crew milestone, and an outstanding CQC rating. Skyryse successfully completed the world's first fully automated helicopter landing with a simple swipe, advancing its mission to make flying safer and more accessible. Rotor Trade appoints Vijay Sharma to lead operations in India, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka, leveraging his aerospace expertise to strengthen the company's regional presence. Skyway and Matrix Space collaborate to enhance vertiport operations with AI-enabled radar, improving air traffic management, drone detection, and safety in advanced air mobility. The National Advanced Air Mobility Center of Excellence in Ohio appoints Ted Angel as executive director to lead AAM growth, fostering industry collaboration and innovation in advanced aviation. Saudi Arabia's GACA will lift cabotage restrictions on foreign charter flights starting May 2025, opening the domestic private aviation market to international operators and boosting industry growth. FlexJet signed a $7 billion deal with Embraer for 182 business jets over 5 years, expanding its fleet with Praetor and Phenom models across North America and Europe. SmartJets sold a Dassault Falcon 2000 in just 27 days, including inspection, highlighting its rapid transaction capabilities and strong market outlook for 2025. Zedra expands its UK and Isle of Man aircraft customs warehousing, offering VAT and duty suspension with regulatory compliance, easing logistics for owners, banks, and brokers. Coulson Aviation appoints Brent Masura as VP of Design, leveraging his 25 years of experience to advance the Boeing 737-700 Fireliner and enhance aerial firefighting innovation. To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.